Hello class, this is just more examples for congruency proofs. So in this example, we're being told that each pair of triangles are not congruent. So state the test it most closely resembles and state the reason why the test doesn't work. So remember, these triangles shown here, each pair, is not congruent, but it'll look like they are congruent. So let's figure out which of the tests it looks like, but why it doesn't work. So let's take a look at this example. Let's move this over here. Now take a close look. We have a side, 7. We have another side, 5. And it looks as if we have the same angle, 65. But look very carefully the positioning of the angle. In this triangle, the angle is between the 5 and the 7. But in this one, take a look, 5, 7. The angle is not between the correct, the angle is not between the given sides. So we can say that this looks like SAS, side angle side, but the angle given is not in between the equal sides. So remember again, 5, they're equal, 7 is equal, and even the angle is equal. But the angle here is between the 5 and the 7, but the angle here is not in between the 5 and the 7. So it looks like SAS, but this is not the case. Likewise with this one, take a close look. Look very carefully. We have one angle, we have another angle, and we have a side. So it looks as if we have angle, angle, side. But look carefully once again. The side here is opposite the x, but the side here, if we draw an angle down to it, it's not on the x. So if this side were instead here, now take a look, x, opposite, x, opposite. However, the question is this one here. So we can say that this looks like AAS, but the angle, the equal side is not on the same, the same position in both triangles. Remember, they have to be in the same position. They're not in the same position. Take a look now for this one. We have 65, we have 45, and we have 70. So we have 3 equal angles. Take a close look. If you take a close look, there's actually no test for 3 equal angles. So we can say that 3 angles, or we'll say 3 equal angles, is not a test for congruency. Okay, so 3 equal angles is actually not even on the list here for the tests we can use. Let's do one more. Once again, we have 1 equal angle, and we have 2 equal sides. So it looks like side angle side because we have 2 sides and an angle. But once again, take a look at the position of the angle. The angle here is not in between the sides, but the angle here is between the 7 and the 9. So just to make it easy for ourselves here, I'm just going to copy this one once again. So it looks like side angle side. Oops. But it's not between the equal angles. Let's make this once more. So it's not between the equal sides. So it has to be 9, 7, and that 50 is between this one, but this 50 is not in between the 2 equal sides. So if that 50 were here, then these 2 triangles are congruent, but that's not the case. So I hope I gave you an insight into congruency proofs. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.